Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is to prepare 4 different types of ice cubes for all your skin problems. It will improve blood circulation to your skin and makes your skin glow naturally. Reduces puffiness and acne also. Let's get started. Number 1. Aloe vera cubes. Applying frozen aloe vera on face helps to hydrate the skin and tightens the pores. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add 5 to 10 strands of saffron to it. Soak the saffron strands for 10 to 15 minutes to release their color and active compounds. Adding saffron to the aloe vera gel will improve the skin texture. Now, adding 4 tablespoons of water to it. Make sure the water quantity is more than the ingredients. To enhance the fragrance, I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of rose water to it. Mix all the ingredients well. Now, transfer it to any ice cube tray or silicone tray. Number 2. Potato cubes. Take 1 potato and peel the skin. Grate it and collect the juice. All we need is 1 tablespoon of potato juice and few drops of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh potato juice to half cup of water and add few drops of honey to it. Mix well and transfer it to the tray. Number 3. The rose cubes. I'm using Banjara's rose water gel. Take 1 tablespoon of rose water gel and add 2 vitamin E capsules to it. Combining rose water with vitamin E capsule can create a hydrating solution that can lock in moisture. Mix thoroughly and transfer it to the ice tray. Number 4. Beetroot cubes. Take a fresh beetroot, peel the skin off, grate it and collect 1 tablespoon of beetroot juice. Add sufficient water to it. You can add a few drops of glycerin to it to improve the hydration. Mix well and transfer it to the tray. The tray looks so colorful and each cube has its own use. Apply and massage the cubes on your face for 5 to 10 minutes to see the results. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.